share my views about the importance of education. Education plays a very important role in one's life. It helps us to be a successful and to be better a person. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level, and personality. It empowers us, intelligent and help us to deal with problems. In today's competitive and good education has become a necessity. Higher education helps in getting a good job in position. Education also prepares people for different life experience. It helps people to have a special status in society. Moreover, education polishes our mind and strengthens our mental. Education helps. Education helps us to take right decision. It is the key to success, personal as well as professional life. It makes us smart enough to handle the tough situation and to live a happy life. A person having a good education becomes good citizen of the country. A country can progress well if its citizens are well educated. All in all, education is the process of acquiring knowledge which helps to be successful. There are many of good education like have a good career, improve self-confidence and having a good status in society. Education helps to grow in life. It is the reason behind many successful people and nation. Above all, it helps in building to better society for the citizen of a nation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.